Oh, I gotta send Joey pictures. He wanted to see the runway.
Send Joey pictures of
The runway. He wanted to his repair. What's Equal doing out here? I'll come up behind you. Okay, come on in. Go ahead. Oh shit. Okay, come on. Come on. What the heck? What? Could just be wind. The wind's doing weird stuff. Or your motors could be out. Are your motors spinning at the same time? Yeah, they are. Alright, I'm going up.
Gear up.
I'm actually enjoying flying this thing with the tanks on.
Temperature 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight pack 14. Time remaining 7 minutes.
Mine's way out of trim too. Where's that plane again? Need to see if it's him. They can't see what we're doing.
Temperature 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight pack 14.8. Time remaining 6 minutes.
Whoa, I'm way up there. I didn't realize I was that high. Diving down.
Temperature 70 degrees.
I can't tell the scale because My plane's a lot bigger than yours, which doesn't make sense. A B-25 should be bigger. Wow, yeah, the wind's super bumpy.
The wind is kind of weird. Devin, go away.
Whoever this is, I think it is him. Because they're looking right down here.
5 minutes.
Motoring up now, so that's good. They're leaving.
Flight pack 14.1 volts. Flight pack 13.9 volts. Temperature
Why is it
72
diving on me?
degrees Fahrenheit.
There. There we go, that's better. Whoa! Sorry. I'm doing weird. The wind is pushing it all over the place.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
And it doesn't seem like there is any, but I guess there's other stuff going on.
Flight pack 14.7 volts. Temperature 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Time remaining 4 minutes.
There we go. There we go.
Heritage flag. Not so much though.
No, that one's so much bigger.
What does that even mean?
Flight pack, no data. Temperature, no data.
I don't do touch and goes at this plane. I don't. I like it too much. I think you should change all your wheels to F-15 wheels.
Softer.
Yeah.
Flight pack 14.5 volts. Temperature, no data. Time remaining 3 minutes.
You just fired up a torch. What's he firing up a torch for? Alrighty then.
Flight pack 15.0
Curmudge!
That's my guilt, man.
Curmudge!
He's not a curmudgeon.
No, I'm saying that's what we're gonna be like. We're gonna be curmudgeons.
Shit, I don't want. Like I have this guilt trip thing. Imagine me 20 years from now, do our shit and look at me like act all smart and shit. I'm like, you know, I've been flying this since before you were born.
Flight
boy.
pack 4 volts. Temperature
Well, that's the
75
difference.
degrees
What's the
Fahrenheit.
difference?
That's the difference
Time
with
remaining
experience.
2 minutes.
I mean, the answer is gonna change, and that's what.
It will. The tech will change, the basics will stay the same. I mean, all the stuff that I used to do, 20 years ago, it's still the same. It's just the tech has changed. The radios are easier to use. They actually make you fly better. Instead of accentuating all the crap that you were doing before. All we could do back in the days was fly linear. There were no other adjustments.
Flight pack 15.0 volts. Temperature 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Flight time remaining 1 minute.
Jesus, we're yapping all over the place.
14.2 volts. Flight pack 14.2 volts. Flight pack 14.1 volts. Flight pack 14.2 volts.
So once it gets to a certain point, it just yaps at you till you bring it in.
Temperature 77 degrees.
What's your threshold,
Fahrenheit.
14.1?
Flight pack 15.0 volts.
That was a dead stick.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Time remaining 11 seconds.
Ah,
10,
okay.
9, 8, 7,
Temperature
6,
75 degrees
4,
Fahrenheit.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Got another 2 minutes.
Flight pack 15.1 volts.
There's this birds again.
I know. They have a death wish. Birdies, get out of here. I'm gonna chop you up.
We're gonna whip it.
Temperature 79 degrees Fahrenheit.
We done gonna chop you up.
Good, good. Oh my God! I gotta show you this thing. My boy, Kendall and Corey found this thing on YouTube. The funniest thing I've ever seen. I've gotta. I'll look at it. I'll have him send it to me.
15.1 volts.
It's this African superhero video, and they add and they add subtitles and stuff to it.
This sounds bad.
It's really bad, but it's incredibly funny.
79 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh my God, it's funny. So bring the bombs!
1 minute.
Drop the bombs now! It's really funny.
How does he find this?
I don't know how they find it. It's just hilarious.
Flight pack 15.1 volts.
Bring the chopper. Yeah, this thing's fun.
Temperature
Tanks, fuel
81
tanks.
degrees Fahrenheit.
When I want to go faster, I take them off.
To extend the range.
Well,
For the escort.
the real one, yeah. As soon as they get into a fight, they dump them.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
No matter if there's fuel or not.
doesn't matter.
Flight pack 15.1 volts.
This is 4S, so kind of laid back.
What do you usually fly 6S?
4 and 5.
Temperature
5.
81 degrees
Wow.
Fahrenheit.
2 minutes over.
All right, that's about it.
Gear down.
I guess Warren does fly 5S.
Yeah, he does too.
Flight pack
Dude, you seen him? Wow!
Yeah, how did they put washers underneath the props to make it a little bit steeper pitch?
Yeah, I did that on mine too. You they call it a zip tie mod because you put they use zip, clip zip tie strips. Oop. There we go. Whip it.
Flight pack 15.1 volts. Temperature 81 degrees Fahrenheit.
Ah, I love this thing. Want to fly back, laid back and scale. Put the 4S pack in there and go.